Can't figure out where this misfire is coming from. You can only hear it in the exhaust. I got no cat, just a muffler. Just put a new fuel filter on. EGR is good. It stalled when I pressed the diaphragm thing on it. New O2 sensor. New temperature sensor. The timing's at about 4 or 5 degrees advanced. Oh my god, this thing is bouncing all over the place. Even the voltage goes down when I put it in gear. I hope it's not a timing chain or bad compression. I don't know if anybody else has this problem. Help would be appreciated. Thanks.